Hello and welcome to today's Hindu newspaper analysis from the Delhi edition top headlines. Okay, opposition stages walkout in Lok Sabha over Yogi Adityanath remarks. Biden urges Americans to leave Ukraine as fears of invasion mount. Okay, players franchises in focus at Tata IPL mega action today. Shreyas and bowlers help India make a clean sweep. Okay, do not spread things to a larger level. Okay, yes, he observes on hijab row. Court said court says it will protect petitioners right intervenes at an appropriate moment. Okay, the Supreme Court on Friday said it will protect the constitutional rights of petitioners and intervene at an appropriate time, even as it questioned, against the spreading of the controversy triggered by the hijab ban in Karnataka classroom to a national level. Okay, key questions. What is key questions from here? Two students of a government college in Karnataka have raised the following questions of law in their petition. Okay, whether the effect of an interim order passed by a constitutional court can be suspension. Okay, by constitutional court can be suspension of fundamental rights of citizen guaranteed under Article 15, 19, 21, 25 of the Constitution. When hijab is an essential and integral facet of the belief and faith of the petitioners, herein will the Honorable High Court direct the petitioners to give up their faith in order to attend an educational institutions. Other contents. What is other contentions? Their exam are due in March and they have not been able to attend classes. Okay, should they be denied of their right to education at the cost of their conscience? Okay, belief and faith. So these are the appropriate and major questions from here. Okay, Quad meet focuses on Indo-Pacific ties. क्वाड की मीटिंग चल रही है. डिविजन्स इमर्जेज ओवर रसिया एंड म्यांमार. ओके, व्हाट इज द क्रैक्स ऑफ दिस आर्टिकल? Calling for justice for the 26 upon 11 terror attacks in Mumbai 2008 and a Pathankot Air Base attack 2016 for the first time since the group was formed. The Foreign Minister of Australia, India, Japan and US said the Quad was already cooperating on sharing intelligence on threats in the Indo-Pacific region. Okay, the group of ministers who held their fourth Quad ministerial meeting in Melbourne on Friday also resolved to speed up delivery of more than a billion COVID-19 vaccines to be manufactured in India to hold a special meet on climate change this year and to step up efforts to ensure maritime security in the region. Okay, joint statement. What is joint statement? Be call on countries to ensure that territory under their control is not used to launch terror attacks and to expeditiously bring to justice the perpetrators of such attacks and send joint statement issued at the end of the talks between foreign ministers. Okay, where we are concerned, we do not follow a policy of national sections. Mr. Jaishankar putting out his statement. Okay, Youth Congress leader moves top courts. Okay, Tharoor flags continue incarnation of scribes. Differences emerge between TMC and first PSC. High Court for fresh autopsy in UP custodial death. IIP growth slowed to 0.4% in December. India's industrial recovery slowed sharply in December with factory output growing just 0.4% year on year and manufacturing sinking 0.1% in the month. As per quick official estimates for the index of industrial production also known as IIP, capital goods output shrank 4.6% while consumers durable contracted for the fourth month in a row by 2.7%. Consumer non-durable also dipped 0.6%, promoting concerns that weak on consumption is dampening the sustenance prospects of a fleeting economic rebound. निर्मला डिफेंस गवर्नमेंट टू अप्रोच पैंडमिक एड, समझ गए? नॉट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट. स्टूडेंट scramble for rooms as due prepare to open after 2 years. Many say they would be unable to afford rent as owners look to make a quick buck. Death toll in Gurugram flat collapse rises to 4 die in Bhavana. 4 die in Bhavana as building caves in. Okay. Government seeks centers help to study sources of pollution in Yamuna. Law student arrested in hit and run case. These are the less important states. The BJP is sweating in the winter of northern India. The impact of farmers agitation is being seen in UP assembly elections, says Bharatiya Kisan Union chief. Top assembly officers seek president intervention. Tamil Nadu police knew the escape plan of the Korean nationals. They were aware the due booked flight. No saffron shawls hijabs in class for now. क्या है? Reopen educational institutions soon. कर्नाटका हाई कोर्ट टेल्स स्टेट गवर्नमेंट इन इट्स एंटरिम ऑर्डर. क्या दिया है? एंटरिम ऑर्डर कर्नाटका हाई कोर्ट का आया, समझो ध्यान से. The High Court of Karnataka has restrained all students regardless of their religion or faith from wearing saffron shawls, also known as bhagwa, scraps, hijab, religious flags or the like within classroom until further orders in the petitions pending consideration on the issue of right to wear hijab in classroom. However, the court made it clear that this order is confined to such of the institutions wherein the College Development Committee, CDC, have prescribed the student dress code uniform. The court requested the Karnataka government and all other stakeholders to reopen educational institutions and allow students to return to classes at the earliest. A 3-judge bench headed by Chief Justice Ritu Avasthi released its interim order on Friday. The bench, after preliminary hearing on the petitions on Thursday, had orally indicated that it would pass an interim order to be enforced till the final decision on the petitions. Our being a civilized society, ours being a civilized society, no person in the name of religion, culture, the like can be permitted today, to do any act that disturbs public peace and tranquility. Endless agitations and closure of educational institutions indefinitely are not happy things to happen. The bench, also consisting of Justice Krishna Dikshit and Justice Jai Bhushinia and Mr. And firstly, we are pained by the ongoing agitations and closure of educational institutions. Reasonable instructions. These are to take a step to maintain peace as schools reopen. Mumbai. Did not bar hijab clad girls from writing exam. Let's move to the editorial sections. Taking a bite out of cyber threats. Important. Taking a bite out of cyber threats rather than wait for the big bang cyber attack. Nations and institutions ought to be prepared for a rash of cyber strikes. What is the crux of this article? This article is written by M.K. Narayan. What is the crux of this article? What is the gist of this article? The cyber attacks may be a relatively new phenomena, okay, but in a short time frame have some to be assessed as dangerous as terrorism. The world was possibly made aware of the danger and threat posed by cyber weapons with the advent of the okay is to next bomb in 2000 in 2010, which resulted in large scale damage to Iran's centrifuge capabilities. 2 years later, in 2012, a bank of computers belonging to the Saudi Aramco oil company were targeted reportedly by Iranian operatives, employing malware that whipped out data on 30,000 computers. Okay, a few weeks later, Iran was again believed to have been okay behind a targeted attack on the okay Quatri natural gas company. Ras gas, the string of instances appear to have provoked then United States Defense Secretary Leon Panetta to utter the warning that the world had to prepare for a kind of cyber Pearl Harbor, okay, highlighting a new era of potential vulnerabilities. Static response. What is static response regarding regardless this? In the decade that followed, in the decade that followed, and while preparing for a potential Pearl Harbor type of strikes, including seeking ways and means to retaliate in the eventuality of such attacks, the best seemed to lose its way on how to deal with the emerging cyber threat each succeeding year succeeding years. Okay, despite an increase in the cyber threats, business witnessed no change in the method of the responses. The year 2020 and 21 have proved to be extremely difficult from the perspective of the cyber attacks. But no changes in methodology have been seen. In 2021, cyber attacks that attracted the maximum attention, okay, were solar winds and colonial pipeline in the US. But these were merely the tip of a much bigger iceberg, okay, among the string of attacks and plugged the world. Estimates of the cost to world in 2021, okay, from cyber attacks are still being computed, okay, but if the cost of the cyber crime in 2020 believed to be more than dollar trillion, okay, is any guide, it is likely to range between $3 trillion, $4 trillion. What is not disputed any longer is that soon, if not already, cyber crime damage cost would be become more profitable than the global trade of major illegal drugs combined. Sectors that are vulnerable. What are sectors? Okay, as 2022 begins, the general consensus is that the cyber threat is likely to be among, if not biggest concern for the both companies and government across the globe. In the information ages, data is gold. Data is gold. Credential threat and the threat of data breaches, phishing and ransomware attacks, apart from major IT out outages and expected to among the main concerns, results are likely to be far eclipses and damage stemming from COVID-19 pandemic or any natural disasters. A little publicized fact is that the vast majority of cyber attacks are directed at small and medium sized business, okay, and it is likely that this trend will grow, okay. According to experts, among the most targeted sectors in the coming period are healthcare, education, and the research, communication, and governments. Healthcare ransomware. Here, healthcare ransomware has been the little published, okay, little publicized, but the reality is that ransomware attacks, okay, have led to longer stay in hospitals, apart from delays in procedures and tests, resulting in increase in the patient mortality. Far more than merely appointing, okay, appointing cost linked to cybercrime is reality that no organization can possibly claim to completely immune from cyber attacks, while preventive and reactive cyber security strategies are needed and are essential to mitigate cyber risk. They are proving to be highly elusive in an increasingly hyper connected world. Okay, comprehending the consequences of this reality could be devastating. For example, despite all talking about managing and protecting data, the reality is that ransomware is increasing in intensity and is tending to become a near destructive threat because there are many available soft targets, statics. Okay, statics Statistics in this regard are also telling, that is that new attacks are taking place every 10 seconds. Apart from loss of data, what is also becoming evident is that ransomware criminals are becoming more sophisticated and are using ransomware to cripple large enterprises and even governments. Talk of the emergence of ransomware as a service. Okay, a business model for ransomware developers is no mere idle threat. Okay, the huge security impact the huge security impact of working from home, dedicated okay dedicated largely by the prevailing novel coronavirus pandemic, must again not be underestimated, as it is likely to further accelerate the pace of cyber attacks. A conservative estimate is that a rise of attacks is almost certain to occur on home computers and networks. Additionally, according to experts, a tendency seen more recently to put everything on the cloud could backfire, causing many security holes, challenges, and misconfigurations and outages. Furthermore, even as identity and multi-factor authentication takes center stage, the gloomy prognostication, okay, of experts is that advanced persistent threats, also known as APT attacks, are set on increase with criminal networks working over time and dark web allowing criminal access even sensitive corporate networks. Scant clarity. What is scant clarity from here? Unfortunately, despite the plethora of such evidence, cyber security experts appear to be floundering in finding proper solutions to the ever widening cyber threat. There is a great deal of talk among cybersecurity experts about emerging cybersecurity technologies and protocols intended to protect systems, networks, and devices, but little clarity whether what is available can ensure protection from all economic all okay economy passing cyber attacks. Okay, technology technology geeks meanwhile are having a field day insisting on every enterprises incorporating safe, also known as secure access service edge, to reduce the risk of cyber attacks. Additional solutions are being proposed, such as CISB, Cloud Access Security Broker, and SWG Secure Web Gateway, aimed at limiting risk to users from web-based threats. Okay, constant references to the zero zero trust model and micro segmentation as a means to limit cyber attacks can again limiting. Okay, zero trust does not the onus on the strict identity verification at allowing only authorized and unauthenticated users to access data applications, but it is not certain how successful this and other applications will prove to be in the face of the current wave of cyber attacks. What is most needed is absent. That is, cyber security experts should aim at being two steps ahead of cyber criminals. This is not evident as of now. मतलब यह है कि साइबर सिक्योरिटी एक्सपर्ट्स को साइबर क्रिमिनल करने वाले अपराधियों से दो कदम आगे चलना होगा. दैट इज द करेक्ट gist of this article. Unique challenges. What is unique challenges before India? Missing from canvas is that cyber technology presents certain unique challenges which need, okay, particularized answers instead of attempting to devise standard methodologies and arrive at certain international norms of government. It's huge. A, okay, a decade of misplaced effort by the West in preparing for a potential Pearl Harbor type of strike has enabled cyber criminals to gain the upper hand. While the best focused on militarization of the cyber threat and how best it could be been its superior capabilities, valuable time was lost. It led to misplaced ideas and, okay, erroneous generalizations resulting in a decade of lost opportunity. Okay, this situation need to be reversed. A detailed study of the series of low and medium level proactive cyber attacks that have occurred during the past decade is clearly warranted. Okay, it could reinforce the belief that when it comes to deterrence in cyberspace, what is required is not a piece of grand strategy. Low and medium, okay, take low and medium risk targeted operations could be just as effective. A related aspect is to prevent individual companies from attempting their own trade-offs. Investing security and maximizing short-term profits. Okay, what many companies and even other fail to realize is that inadequate corporations protection defend could have huge external cost for national security, as evident in the solar winds attack defense and bag plans. It is not sufficient from here. Okay, that is, this article is sufficient from such type of reading skills. In a double bind facing conservatism and politics, the campaign of Indian Muslim movement to occupy public spaces and protest democracy is a lonely one. What is the crux of this article? Last week I was chased okay, out of a graveyard in Mumbai on a visit home. I decided to pray Fatiha over my father's grave, but upon the realization that there was a woman in the graveyard, the Imam from the nearby mosque broke into a panic, interrupting my prayer and sending me out from the final resting place. The subject of women visiting graveyards is a contentious one in the Sunni practice of Islam. Okay, one the Hadith, okay, indicates that the Prophet forbade women from visiting graves. Okay, not sufficient interested, not interested, clearing the airways. The world must prioritize equitable, okay, health care and also reclaim the early normality. Trumped up rhetoric UPCM restored iotic illogical remarks in jail to religious polarization from for electoral success. Politics related. आगे the garment firms hanging by a thread. आज सैटरडे है, स्टोरी आई है, सैटरडे को स्टोरी आती है. Opposition stages walk out in Lok Sabha over Yogi Adityanath's remarks. SC to refer job quota, okay, law in other states. Election Commission bans BJP over social media posts. Quad meet focuses on Indo-Pacific cooperation. बता चुका हूँ पीछे आपको. ठीक. MPS flag arrest on journalist. Okay, chairman of ESC panel on Char Dham project quiet. Ravi Chopra. Nirmala Defense Center's approach to pandemic aid. Trinamool differences are out in the open. Speaker rejects, okay, plea for Mukul's disqualification. BJP Congress bugging a tight Praveen Kumar Agarwal. Few takers for parties born out of agitation. Bill Salset prove BJP Silly's heels. Will continue to support Indians' rise and regional leadership. US. collective action key to Washington's new Indo-Pacific strategy. The Biden administration announced its long-awaited Indo-Pacific strategy on Friday. The document focuses on building collective capacity to deal with the challenges in the region. China's assertiveness, the pandemic, okay, and climate change among others. Among others, okay. The policies set out in the document have continuity with previous administration's strategies. Okay, these include a focus on challenges from China, advancing the US relationship, a major defense partnership with the India, and supporting its role as a net security provider in the region. There is an emphasis on working with the other countries not just from the region but also from beyond. Speaking to reporters on Friday, senior administration official who did not want to be named said that India's role in the Quad was an important element of the USA India relationship and a means to speak frankly about issues in the region and to deliver together on public goods. The Quad is rolling out a plan to deliver over a billion COVID-19, okay, over a billion COVID-19 vaccines to region by the end of this year. Responding to a questions regarding India's enthusiasm for greater alignment with the US, okay, the official said China's action along with the line of actual control, its border conflict, okay, has a galvanizing impact on India. The strategy document says the US will continue to support India's right and regional leadership working with India bilaterally and through groups on a range of issues. It refers to India as a like-minded partners and driving ones in the Quad. The overall increasing focuses of the US on the region is due to its increasing challenges, especially from China, according to the strategy document. Okay, the People's Republic of China coercion and aggression spans, okay, to globe, but it is most acute in the Indo-Pacific region. From the economic concern of the Australia, okay, to conflict along with line of actual control with India, to growing pressure on the Taiwan, bullying of the neighbors in the East and the South China Sea. Our allies and partners in the region bear much of the cost of the People's Republic of China harmful behavior. It is said we recognize the limitations in our ability to change China, and therefore it seeks to shape up the strategic environment around China, said the senior administration official who, okay, briefed reporters. More broadly, the US will seek an Indo-Pacific that is free and open, connected, prosperous, okay, connected, prosperous, secure, resilient. On the free aspect, one of the strategic actions outlined is investing in civil society as a free press and democratic institutions. On the topic of connections within and beyond the region, the US says it will work in flexible groupings to tackle major issues, particularly through the Quad. I, I, it will also deepen its regional treaty alliances and work with groups such as ASEAN, the European Union, and the NATO. Okay, so these are the major cracks from here. Allegations in media are baseless, Rana. Okay, Navy Milan to bring together 46 countries, Quad countries, Russia to participate. Okay, the Navy just set a hold the 12th President Fleet. Okay, fleet review on Friday 21st, Visakhapatnam, and few days from that it will host largest multilateral exercises in this region, Milan 2022. Okay, Milan 2022, which was participation in all major navies including Quad countries, Russia from West of Asia, aimed at tensions in Ukraine and development in Asia. Okay, rare capacity. Okay, faith schools to stay out of RT, right to education. Okay, habeas corpus plea by the children of Pak nationals. High Courts orders fresh autopsy in the US custodial death. 133 drones sighted along the Pak border in 2 years. India Australia is closer to final interim deal. India Australia. Justice Pushpa Gandhiwala resigns. School in Arunachal Pradesh to allow traditional dresses. What is this? Both sides respect each other. Okay. Sensitivity says Dan Tehan. The interim trade agreement between India and Australia is unlikely to include items that both sides consider sensitive, said Kanvaraj Trade and Tourism Minister, okay, Dan Tehan on Friday. Addressing a joint press conference here, Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal announced that the Indian Australian negotiators will have the financial interim agreement relay in 30 days and the agreement will be a win-win document. समझ गए? win-win document साबित होगा. वर्ड वाइडन अर्जेज अमेरिकन टू लीव यूक्रेन. वाइडन ने अमेरिकन से अर्ज की है कि वो यूक्रेन को लीव कर दें, क्योंकि इसका मतलब है कि अमेरिका कुछ नया करने वाला है. वी आर डीलिंग विद वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट आर्मीज इन द वर्ल्ड. थिंग्स कुड गो क्रेजी क्विकली, ही सेज. मतलब कुछ नई कहानी रचने जा रहे हैं. यूएस मिलिट्री व्हीकल्स वेटिंग टू बी लोडेड ऑन टू द ट्रक्स इन जर्मनी फॉर डिप्लॉयमेंट इन रोमानिया. समझ गए? यूएस प्रेसिडेंट जो बाइडन अमेरिकन्स urged Americans to leave Ukraine immediately, as his top diplomat said on Friday that Russian invasion could come anytime. रशिया का आक्रमण कभी भी आ सकता है. Including during the Winter Olympics, which end in 9 days, with Moscow continuing to amass tens of thousands of troops on the Ukraine border and talks to avoid war making little headway. Mr. Biden issued a stark warning US citizens to get out. Okay, to get out. American citizens should leave now. Mr. Biden told NBC News, we are dealing with one of the largest armies in the world. This is very different situation and things could go crazy quickly. Okay, crazy quickly. Live fire drills, difficult talks, promises from Moscow. US to use frozen Afghan asset to relieve 9/11 victims. Okay. Macron kept at distance from the Putin during talks after refusing COVID test. Okay. Wordley clue helps end US hostages hurdle. IIP growth slowed 0.4% in December. So these are the major important news from today's Hindu newspaper analysis. If you are benefited our sessions, our lectures, you can also subscribe our YouTube channel and share his fellow aspirants and relatives for the update of the news analysis from the Hindu and across the world. Okay, thanks for watching.